Let's look at a couple different ways to duplicate an object around a circle. First, I'm going to draw a star with the star tool. Click and holding Shift and Option if you want to adjust the size of the points. Creating a star. Now I'm going to create a circle. Holding Option, you can, if you have your Smart Guides on, under View, Smart Guides, you can see the alignment. I'm also going to select these and align them horizontally center. Now I'm going to group them, Command G, and go to Effect, Distort and Transform, Transform, turn on Preview, and for the alignment we want the bottom center. Leave everything else the same. Let's do a test here and enter 10 copies. We need it to go 360 degrees. So we want to do 360 divided by 10. Okay. And if we want to resize this, we can click in the group and holding Option Shift, I'm going to resize these. If we want to change the effect later, click out of the group and click the group again. Go to Appearance, Transform, and for however many copies you have, you can divide that by 60. So let's do 20. 360 divided by 20, and it automatically calculates that. So whenever we're happy with this, you can do Object, Expand Appearance, and now you can remove your center. So let's look at the second way to duplicate an object around a circle. I'm going to copy one of my stars here and paste. Now I'm going to open my brushes panel. I'm going to drag the star into the brushes. We want a scatter brush. I'm going to click OK for now. Now I'm going to draw my circle, L, for the ellipse. Holding Shift, and I want holding Shift X will switch from fill to stroke. I'm going to select the brush, and I want to show you when you double click on the brush, we can choose, see how it's the star is straight up and down, it's not following the path by the angle. We can do position relative to path, and you can adjust your spacing. You can also adjust your size. And see how that's not quite lined up? You may need to arrow up and down until that's overlapping. Apply the strokes. Another way to adjust the size of the shape would be by adjusting the stroke.